This video will introduce you to one main part of Animaker called the scenes. So the first thing that I would suggest doing is coming up to the top of your project and giving this a name. So I'm going to call this Introduction to Animaker. Now, as you'll notice, your scenes are located on this left-hand side. So this column is where we're going to be paying special attention to. Now, this first box is telling us, here's our screen, and this is what our first page looks like. So I'm going to come over here and I'm actually going to select a scene here so that we can see it should now be incorporated over in our screen here. So on scene 1, we can hit add a new scene, and now a scene 2 will pop up. As we go back to scene 1, here's what our scene 1 appears to be. Now, this is like our page 1 of our animation, and this is like our page 2 of our animation. Now I'm going to add one more picture here. We'll add the city just by clicking. And I'll move this away by hitting the arrow. So now as we flip back and forth between page 1 and page 2, we'll see these are our scenes. Now some nice features about the scenes are you can come up to the top and you can hit this button right here, which will add another scene, so a page 3. You can also, let's say you've created something really extravagant on this page and you just want to copy this. This middle button will allow you to duplicate that. So now I have 2. And then let's say I decide, nope, I don't want this scene through this scene 4 anymore. I can click it and come up here and hit delete, and now it will go away. One other nice feature is you can drag these scenes around. So if I wanted my city to be my second scene, I can just drag this above. So this is a drag and drop interface over in this scenes section. Another piece is if I hit this button right here, it will play my animation from the very beginning. If I hit this button, this play button, it will play, so right now I'm on slide 2, it'll play my animation that I have on slide 2. I can also add and decrease time for how long I want my scene to be. So for example, right now this city scene will last for 10 seconds. If I want it to go longer, I can hit the plus, and if I want it to go shorter, I can hit the minus over here. This is a short introduction to the scenes aspect of Animaker.